Every single day, more than 1.9 billion Coca-Colas are consumed around the world. But almost nobody knows what really happens before this drink reaches your hand. There's a secret formula protected for more than 130 years. Massive industrial production, million-dollar machines, extreme chemical control, and factories running almost non-stop. But the real question is, how is Coca-Cola actually made? And why do so many people say it's one of the most addictive drinks on earth? Today, you're going inside the factory, and you'll see details most people never get to see. Everything started in 1886. A pharmacist named John Pemberton created a strange mixture inside a small pharmacy in the United States. At the time, it wasn't even considered a soda. It was basically sold as a medicinal tonic, and nobody imagined that formula would become one of the most powerful brands in human history. Today, Coca-Cola is worth billions, and the original recipe is still surrounded by mystery. Some say only a few people in the world know the complete formula. And even inside the factories, most workers have no idea what's really inside the mixture. There's even a vault where the original recipe is supposedly locked away. But despite all the mystery, modern Coca-Cola production is an industrial operation on a gigantic scale. And everything starts long before the dark liquid appears. The first thing entering production isn't sugar, not caramel, not caffeine, it's water. And not just any water. Coca-Cola uses an extremely... If the cap is sealed perfectly, any defect, the bottle gets rejected automatically within milliseconds. At the end of the line, robotic systems organize everything into giant pallets ready for shipping. It's basically an industrial city operating non-stop. But before Coca-Cola leaves the factory, it still goes through heavy testing, much more than most people realize. The company monitors flavor, color, carbonation, acidity, texture, temperature, seal integrity. Even the sound when the bottle opens can be analyzed, because the experience has to feel identical every single time. Some bottles go through extreme pressure and durability tests, everything to guarantee the product survives transportation without problems. Because imagine the damage caused by thousands of bottles exploding inside delivery trucks. But there's another shocking detail. Coca-Cola didn't become a global giant just because of taste. It conquered the world through marketing. The company spent billions embedding itself into people's minds. Sponsorships, commercials, movies, sports, Christmas, music. In many parts of the world, the Coca-Cola logo is more recognizable than historical symbols. And that transformed a simple beverage into a global cultural phenomenon. And to think, everything started with a strange mixture inside a tiny pharmacy. Today, Coca-Cola is produced on an unimaginable scale, with giant machines, extreme precision, advanced technology, and a formula still surrounded by mystery. Millions of people drink it every day without realizing the massive operation hidden behind a simple bottle. And now you know. But tell me in the comments, after seeing all this, are you still drinking Coca-Cola the same way? Or are you even more curious about what's really inside that secret formula? And if you enjoy videos like this, subscribe, because the next video will reveal another gigantic factory that almost nobody gets to see from the inside.